Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, I'll show you how to fully integrate Metapixel and the Meta Conversions API with your Outgrow content. Log into your Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece where you want to track conversions. Once inside the builder, go to Configure, then open the Tracking and Events. This is where we'll connect Metapixel and the Conversions API. Inside Tracking and Events, locate the Facebook Pixel section. Enter your Metapixel ID. This enables browser side tracking through the Metapixel. If you don't know your Pixel ID, open Meta Events Manager. Go to the datasets, copy the Pixel ID, paste it into Outgrow. To track custom events, you must ensure that Customize FB Pixel Events is toggled on. This will allow you to track custom audience and conversion events, allowing you to send multiple and customized events on one page and include data beyond the referral URL. Now, scroll down to the Configure Events For section. Here you can configure tracking for the following events: welcome page, questions, results. Page. To track the welcome page, simply toggle it on. Then select the event you want to track. You'll see multiple event options such as View Content, Search, Add to Cart, Add to Wishlist, Lead, and more. Choose the event that best matches your tracking needs. Next, add tags and values to organize your events more effectively. This helps with better reporting and audience segmentation in Facebook Ads Manager. If you want to track specific questions, toggle on Questions and select the questions you want to monitor. Then choose the appropriate event, tags, and values for each question. Finally, if you'd like to track the results page, toggle it on and configure the event, tags, and values, just as you did for the other sections. Once you've published your changes in the Outgrow content, go to Facebook Ads Manager and create a campaign using your Outgrow content's URL. Once the pop-up appears, go to the Conversions tab and select Standard Events from the left panel. Then choose the events that match the ones you configured in Outgrow. Finally, click Apply to save your changes. Now, in the Ad Group section, you'll be able to see the metrics for configured events. That's it. You've successfully connected Outgrow with Metapixel and the Meta Conversions API. Your conversions can now be tracked more accurately for better reporting and campaign optimization. Ready to optimize your Outgrow campaigns? Integrate Metapixel and the Conversions API to track conversions more accurately and improve your ad performance. Start your 7-day free trial